Hey Create TV, I'm Buki Elegbede, and wait, before you put down that brown banana, I'm gonna teach you in 2 minutes how to make outrageous banana bread. First things first, preheat your oven at 350 degrees. And in a 9 by 5-inch loaf pan, grease with butter. Combine 2 cups all-purpose flour with 1 teaspoon baking soda and 1 teaspoon baking powder, ½ cup of vegetable oil, 1 cup brown sugar. Beat this together on medium-low speed for about 2 to 3 minutes. ½ cup of buttermilk. You're going to mash together 3 to 4 extremely ripe bananas and just right in. And then to that, you're gonna add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and about a teaspoon of grated nutmeg. And you're gonna add 2 eggs, 1 at a time. You're gonna add your dry and your wet ingredients, alternating wet and dry, starting and ending with dry. And you wanna mix until it's just combined. Pour straight into your pre-greased baking dish. Here's what makes this banana bread outrageous, the crumb topping. And it starts with 1/8 of a cup sliced dried banana for extra banana flavor, 2 tablespoons of your choice of granola, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. This is a great way to get all your frustrations out. You're gonna sprinkle right on top. And then we're gonna throw this into the oven, 350 degrees for at least an hour and 10 minutes until the toothpick comes out clean. Set your timer. Once out of the oven, you're gonna place on a wire rack and let it cool for about 10 to 15 minutes. You are definitely not gonna throw out any more brown bananas after you make this outrageous banana bread. Enjoy.